Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Very good. So printers, of course, different printers are there. Dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, laser printer, thermal printer. So different printers are there. So of course, you can try in a YouTube that is different printers. Okay, each printer how it is function you can try. The point is how to connect a printer to our system and other way of connecting printers, accessing printers. The first thing is you connect, you have a system because printer configuration also in some places they ask the question. Oh, hmm, this feature is introduced, newly introduced one. Uh-huh. Okay, good. Okay. So this is our PC and a printer. Nowadays, most of the printers, not most, almost all printers, direct connectivity is USB port connectivity. Here it is type A port and this is side type B port. Okay. USB type A at PC side, type B at printer side. Point number one. First connect USB based connectivity. USB. Okay. Next. Once you are connected, first you have to connect it. Second, make sure your printer is turned on. Turn on the printer. Next. Once you turn on the printer, your PC, your system runs a service called a plug and play. So it will try to detect a device is connected. This system try to detect the device which is connected. If already drivers are installed, then it load the drivers. You can start using printer. If no drivers are installed already, means you have to install the drivers. Okay. So install the drivers for that printer related drivers. Each printer, a printer model number is there. For example, HP printer, Epson, Brother, Canon. These are different printer manufacturers. Different models also there. Different printer models also there. HP 1007, Epson 6590. Like the different model numbers are there. Okay. So based on that printer manufacturing company like HP, as I said, HP, Canon, Epson, Xerox. Generally, Xerox only for big places only we are using, not for small one. And one more that is Brother. Okay. Like a lot of other companies also there. Company and model number. Based on that, you have to download the drivers and install the drivers. So once you install the drivers, then test printing. Try test printing. So then printing is working or not. By testing, the printer working or not. Then you can start doing print. Okay. This is simple local printer. What is the first step? Connect the printer to your system. PC or laptop, guys. Don't think like I said PC. Sorry, he's asking about laptop. No, both are same. Okay, first connect it. Second is turn on the printer. Make sure printer is turned on or turn on the printer. Third one is check the printer. PC is detecting that printer or not. Okay, and if not, then install the drivers based on the printer model. Okay, download the drivers, install the drivers. When drivers are installed, and then test the print test. Next, start using the print part. Simple. Understand, guys, these steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nowadays, we are getting a Wi-Fi printers. We are getting Wi-Fi printer. Wi-Fi printers not required any kind of cable connectivity. Of course, we need a cable connection, but still we don't. To print, we don't require cable connection. To configure, we need to connect through the cable. Okay. So the Wi-Fi printers, you can take a print. You can able to print from your PC or laptop. Okay. If in case Wi-Fi based connectivity is there, and mobile, from mobile phone also you can take a printout. Okay. So normal printers, you need a computer or a laptop is required to come to take a printout. But here it is, from your mobile also you can take a printout. To do that one, you require to install that related drivers and that related application also. Printer related based application. So last time I installed Epson to connect the Epson printer. Then Epson, in that one, it detect what kind of drivers are there. Like a mobile application, you have to install. Application. If mobile application. If it is laptop or desktop, it is that related desktop-based application we are installing. Okay. So generally for PC or laptop, from PC and laptop, you can connect through cable, USB cable. Okay. This side port type A, this side port type B, USB. Okay. And that is first connect it. Second one is make sure it is turned on. Third one is install the drivers and application also. Install the drivers and application means printer based application. The fourth one is configure printer. Okay. Configure printer. What configuration? Wi-Fi configuration. Okay. Wi-Fi configuration means Wi-Fi router connection SSID, password, like that. You need to connect through Wi-Fi, right? This Wi-Fi related router configuration, you have to do it in this printer. So printer can able to receive Wi-Fi connection. Okay. Because your printer don't know how to connect the Wi-Fi router. So you have to configure it in your Wi-Fi router. Okay. So fourth is configuration. What configuration? Wi-Fi router related configurations. Okay. Router username, password, you have to configure in your Wi-Fi router. Then fourth one is fourth one. Fifth one is test printing. Test printing. Okay. Printer successfully able to communicate or not. Okay. And in the test printing, it is also print your printer related details, Wi-Fi connection details. From that, you can understand is connected to the Wi-Fi or not. Sixth, disconnect the USB. Disconnect USB and access through Wi-Fi. Access through Wi-Fi. Because Wi-Fi printer point is Wi-Fi access. Okay. Disconnect from USB. Access from Wi-Fi. Are you able to connect this Wi-Fi router or not? Wi-Fi access. So this is and do test printing. Again, Seventh one is do the test printing. Next, next one is, guys, the point to remember is not only through Wi-Fi router, also Wi-Fi direct option is also there. Means you can connect to the Wi-Fi router using Wi-Fi direct option. Means no need of Wi-Fi router. It is ad hoc type connectivity. Means one-to-one direct connectivity is there. That is called Wi-Fi direct. Or you can use Wi-Fi hotspot. You can create a hotspot. Through hotspot, you can also connect it. For example, you purchase a Wi-Fi router, but in your home, no Wi-Fi router. Sorry, you purchase Wi-Fi printer, but in your home, you don't have any Wi-Fi router. What you will do? You can connect with your hotspot also. Hotspot. Okay. So Wi-Fi router, Wi-Fi direct, or Wi-Fi hotspot wise, also you can able to connect your Wi-Fi printer. Okay. If your router is Wi-Fi printer, you can do that. Yes, understand how to connect a printer. These are all printer related settings. See what's printing. Set as a default printer, printer properties, sharing of printer. Okay. Next one is shared printer. Means there is some device connected to the printer. Already it is connected to this printer. Or the printer is directly connected to the network. That is also network printer. So this time I am connecting a printer to a device. Okay, a PC. For example, PC name is A. Okay, and this printer is shared from this PC. Shared printer it is. It is a shared printer. Printer is shared. Now, I'm also connected in the same network. Okay, I'm also connected in the same network, PCB. Both are connected in the network. Same network, both are connected. Now, I want to access this printer from PCB. I want to access the printer from PCB. So, how to do it? Go to run, put a // PCA IP address, and I need PCA username and password. Okay, username and password. So I can able to connect to this system. Through this system, I can able to connect the printer. Okay, then I can able to access. So first thing is at that remote system, how to share the printer. Okay, look at this. I'm connecting this remote system through remote desktop to show how to connect it. But we should know their username and password also. So this is that system. Okay. Here I'm going to control panel. Go to devices and printers. Okay. In control panel, devices and printers. So this is the printer which is actually connected. And this printer is actually shared. So it is shared printer, originally connected. This is remote anyway. This is connected. Right now connected actually, but not on. Printer is not on, but it is connected really. Okay. So this is the printer. Right click, printer properties. In that system, I click on sharing and selected share this printer. Render print jobs on the client computer like this. Okay. I shared this printer from this system. From this system. Printer is connected to the system and I shared this printer from here. Okay. Of course, 64-bit drivers are installed in that system. Okay. So I shared the printer from that system. So right click, printer properties, sharing, share this printer. Okay, I select this option, click OK. Printer is shared. You can see double. Now, from my PC, I want to access this printer. First step is make sure it is shared from the system. Shared. And you should know this system IP address. You should know the system IP address, username, and password. This is, you should get it first. And you have to come to the PCB and go to run // that PCA system IP address. Okay, that system IP address // remote system IP address. Click OK. So you can able to see, of course, when you click on OK, it won't open directly like that. It will ask username and password. But I already earlier I opened that time I given username and password. Still it is using that username and password only. Okay, already used. See, I can able to access their shared folders also. Okay, this data is there in that remote system. I'm accessing from here. So I'm also getting printer. Right click on the printer, click on the connect. Once you click on the connect, so what happened? It load the drivers from this PC. It load these printer drivers to my lab, my system. It load the drivers from that system to our system. Okay. So I select connect. Then what happened? It load the drivers of this printer drivers to from that system to this system. Now I want to take a printout. For example, I want to make a printout of this one. Control P. Then I have to select the printer. See, it shows like this / that remote system IP address and our printer name. Okay. Of course, printer is not on, so we can't able to see the printer things. If I click on a print, if printer is on, print job will be work. Okay. So I didn't take any printout. You can take any small document also. Something. It's a big document, not small document. Okay. You can take a text file, so normal .txt file. Anything taking more time to it is open. Here text document. So select the printer. Printer is not on. So you can click on print like that. You can take a print. So in my computer, this is my computer. Go to control panel. Search for devices and printers. This is devices and printers. So find out printers and scanner. Okay, there you see not this system. Currently it is showing offline. Yeah, this one. This one. Because it's showing IP, right? So this is the printer we are connected. Currently it is off, that's what it is showing. You can make it as a default printer also. If you make this one as a default printer, when I given a print, every time it shows this printer name only. And also you can do test printing. Okay. First time we are connected, you have to make sure printer is properly connected or not, or it is getting printout or not. How to do it? Test printer. Second one is open print queue. Once you given a printout, the print is stuck in that place. So for example, I given this print. to the printer. Just I given a print. Originally printer is not on, but print job is loaded. Okay, it loading into the print job. So it will shows in the print queue. It's still loading. Once it is loaded, it will show. Yeah, it is loaded. Refresh. See, it's in the print job. From this print job, it will go to the printer, and once printout is done, it will remove from the queue. It's a queue. Queue means, so first when I given a print, it come to the queue. From queue to printer, it will go. Okay, that is the process. Print queue. Of course, I have to delete all these things. Cancel on. Otherwise, if printer is on, immediately it got the printout. Okay. Okay. See how to do it. First, we should know that remote system connected or not. Check the connectivity and make sure you should know their username and password, like / remote system IP address. Once you click OK, you got a username and pass. Then you have to give username and password OK, and you will get like this. Click on connect. It will be added to your system. Okay. This is how to share the printer and how to access the shared printer. How to access the shared printer. Okay. So this is totally about the printer part. Okay. You guys understand about the printer part? Hmm? Now we'll see the troubleshooting. If user complains, unable to print. User complain, unable to print. The first question is, the first thing is how the user is connected. The first question is how this user is connected. Directly connected or shared wise it is connected. Okay. Sharing wise it is connected. Wi-Fi it is connected. Check the connectivity. First, how the user connected to the printer. Check the connectivity. Okay. Directly printer is connected to the system or remotely connected through sharing connection or network connection. Okay. Or Wi-Fi based connection. Connectivity. Second, is printer is on or not? Check the printer is on or not. Okay. Check the printer is on or not. So first is how it is connected. Second is how the printer is connected. Okay. What I said, first one is connectivity. Second one is on or not. Printer is on or not. Okay. Printer showing online or offline. Printer showing online or offline. That's the second one. Okay. On or not. Printer showing online or offline. Third one. The drivers are installed properly or not. Drivers installation is correctly done or not. If it is the first time, check the drivers also. Check the drivers. Do the test printing. Do the test printing. From all the system, check the test printing. Drivers and do the test printing. Okay. and make it as a default printer. Make it as a default printer. Make it as a default printer. Check the print queue. Check the print queue. Print queue. Printers and scanners. Which printer you are taking a printout? Go to that printer and check the print queue. Any pending jobs are there? Clear the jobs. Okay, any pending jobs are there? Clear the job. Set the printer as a default printer. Check the print queue. Okay, clear the print jobs. Then test printing. So check the connectivity. Printer online, offline, on or not. Third, check the drivers properly installed or not. Proper drivers are installed or not. What is the fourth one? Test test printing. Make sure test printing working or not. What is the fifth one I said? Print default printer. Default print. Sixth one. Clear the print queue. Clear the print queue. Check for the error messages. Any error messages showing on the screen. Check for the error messages. 8. Change the port connection. Port. Okay. Sometimes you connected earlier one way, later you connected differently. Check the port connection. Check the Wi-Fi connection here. Okay. Check the port connection. Check the port connection. 9th. Go to the printer settings. Any settings changed. Okay. Settings related. Any printer related settings are changed. Permissions are changed. Printer related permissions on the printer. The printer related permissions are changed. Okay. So these are the major things you have to verify if it is a printer related issue. Okay. Drivers is one of the part. Again, guys, why drivers? After drivers we discuss, because drivers also impact on the printer access. Okay. So connected or not, on or not, showing online or offline. Check the connectivity. Check the any order you can tell. Okay. One or two things, basic order is like this. Connected or not, on or not, port connectivity is there or not, proper port connectivity is there or not, properly same port you are connected, change the port connected. So today you connected one USB, tomorrow you connected different USB, also you will get a problem. So check the connectivity. Okay, same port connectivity or a different port. Change the port connection. Change from one port to another port. Check the drivers. Check the drivers are installed, correct drivers are installed or not. Otherwise, uninstall the drivers, install the new piece. Update the drivers. Third one is completely like next drivers. Drivers means check the drivers, update the drivers, uninstall the drivers, and reinstall the drivers. Uninstall the drivers, restart your PC, reinstall the drivers. Okay. Check the drivers properly installed or not, or update the drivers. Otherwise, uninstall the drivers and restart your PC, reinstall the drivers. This completely drivers part. Test printing using test print. Do the test printing. Clear the print queue. Clear the print queue. Do test printing. Make it as a default printer. Make it as a default printer. Okay. Are you selected correct printer or not? Okay. Are you selected correct printer or not? Next. Check the printer settings. Printer permissions. Check the printer settings and printer related access permissions also. So like that, you can make a points. So for the troubleshoot. Okay. Guys, understand the printer? So printer related issues. So now we do not have a time, so only 15-20 minutes. So already we discussed these issues. This one we didn't discuss. Okay, this one we didn't discuss. So one or two things are there. That is keyboard, mouse not working. This one is also we discussed. Application not. Keyboard or mouse not working. Why I am telling keyboard or mouse not working now? Because we are in the drivers. Guys, there is a hardware related issues, software related issues. Sometimes mixing means hardware part runs based on the software. Means device drivers. Means any hardware related issue, maybe there is a possibility of software related issue can be there. So that's why we are looking at these points. One is printer. Printer is a hardware device, but printer is working good, but we are unable to print out. Possible drivers related issue. Same thing for your network, NIC cards. NIC is there, connected, but no communication. Okay, NIC cards, your Ethernet card, your Wi-Fi card, your NIC, network interface cards. It's a hardware device. Use it to connect to the network. Your NIC is not working. Your Ethernet is not working. You are connected, but it is showing cross mark. No problem in the cable, no problem in the switch, but it's not connecting. Your assigned IP address, everything is done, but no communication. All things are fine, but no communication, no firewall issues. Maybe that this device drivers are problem. Okay, drivers problem possible. So it's not hardware issue. It's not a network related issue. It is a possible device drivers related issues. What to do? Go to device manager. Which adapter it is? Go to that adapter. Right click, update the drivers. First, try update the any hardware related issue, guys. What you will do? Go to device manager, update the device related drivers. The device related drivers is a network adapter. So network related adapter, which adapter it is name, that on the name right click, device, update the drivers. When you try update the drivers, sometimes drivers are not available. Search for automatically for drivers. It is saying already installed, correct. And you do not have any new update drivers in your system. So you have to search automatically on it. But it is saying that already installed. Then you can search it from Windows Update. We can update your drivers from regular Windows Update also. Okay. So you click it and wait. Any updates are available. It's got updated. Maybe issue will be resolved. If you no updates are there or even after update also not working, then uninstall the device. When you click on uninstall device, it will ask like this. Attempt to remove the drivers for this device. Don't select this option. Just uninstall only. Don't uninstall permanently. Just okay, click on uninstall. Don't select this option. Just uninstall or uninstall the drivers. Simply uninstall the drivers. Then restart your computer. The drivers may reload again. In sometimes the drivers are not loaded properly. That's why we are not able to connect it. So drivers, uninstall the drivers, restart your PC, the drivers will be reloaded again. If it is reloaded successfully, we can able to work on it. Not reloaded, then you have to install the drivers separately. So but before you are uninstalling the drivers, you have to note down which company, Realtek company like that. This is Intel company, this is Realtek company. Okay, which one it is? You have to work on it. Okay, it's a for a NICs. What about a keyboard? What about a mouse? Keyboard or mouse? Again, different kind of stuff. Okay. So in a keyboard or mouse, commonly USB based connectivity one, keyboard or mouse, USB based connected keyboard, USB based connected mouse. Bluetooth connected mouse, Bluetooth connected keyboard. Another one is in laptops, integrated. In laptop, you have a integrated keyboard, integrated trackpad, integrated keyboard and trackpad. First one is USB keyboard or USB mouse. Change the port. One port you are connected, not working, then change the port. Okay, change the port connection. Cross verification means connect this keyboard to any other device. Any other device working or not. If possible, cross verify the keyboard. Third one is update the drivers. Update the drivers. Go to device manager, go to the keyboard, update the drivers. If update drivers are not working, uninstall the drivers, restart the PC. Drivers, update. Drivers update or uninstall, restart PC and install the drivers, whether it is keyboard or mouse. Okay, change the port connection, connected to different USB port, cross verify that keyboard or mouse is working or not with other devices. Go to the drivers, update the drivers of your keyboard or mouse. Okay, uninstall the drivers, restart the PC. Bluetooth. Sorry, sir. Bluetooth I will tell. Integrated. In integrated, you can't do these two things, right? You can't change it to another port. You can't change it, right? You can't cross verify also. What you will do? Same integrated also. Drivers. Check the drivers. Go to the device manager. Go to keyboard or mouse. Keyboard or mouse or a trackpad. Okay. Go to the keyboard. Go to PS by to keyboard. Update the drivers. Not working. Uninstall the drivers. Restart the PC. Reload the drivers. Then we'll go to the Bluetooth. Bluetooth, of course, these are all working for a Bluetooth. Means changing the port connection and cross verification and drivers also works. But Bluetooth having one more additional point is there. Bluetooth on or not. Your Bluetooth keyboard on or off button is there. Okay, check the on or off button. Okay. Not only port connectivity, on or off button is also important. Check the battery. Battery is good. LED is blinking or not. Okay. Check the battery status. Change the battery, remove the battery and reinsert the battery. Or change the battery with the new batteries. So in proper signal is there. And distance. If you take your mouse very long distance, then also it won't work. Distance. Sometimes external interferences. Beside the Bluetooth, any other heavy signal oriented is there, maybe it will disturb the signal. Okay, so that's only additional points. Can't we use rollback drivers? Very good question. Good question is very rollback. Yeah, guys, your drivers are updated. Drivers got updated. Either you manually update it or automatically it got updated. When you update. After update is not working. It's a very good question. That's why I said it is sometimes after drivers updated. Why we should update? One thing is to better performance. Any previous issues are there, it will be gone and it will work better, right? So that's why we are update. Update is available, it's got updated, or we are manually updated, or system based update also, then update. Once got updated, after update it's not working. In case after update it's not working or it's not working like earlier, some performance is down, more utilization, keep on disconnecting. After update, you are getting a problem. Okay. In case after update, you got a problem, the device not working properly as earlier. Okay. Then we can roll back. Earlier is working fine. For betterment, you are updated. Okay. Then after update, it's not at all working or not properly working. Then what you will do, you'll go to the roll back. Roll back means it restores the drivers to earlier of this one. For example, I have a drivers, I tell you. In a run also you can open dev.mgmt.msc, but in search it is quite faster. Right click, properties, drivers. See, this is a new updated drivers. 21 July 2025. Okay. So, for example, I updated, say 23 version. After update is become 25 version. For example, the driver's version become 25 after update. But after update, it's not working properly. What I will do? Roll back. Roll back means this version will be come back again. That's a rollback. When I see 2025, okay, that's a rollback. When do you do work rollback? If after update, if not working properly, then we'll roll back. Just one question I remember this is in operating system, under operating system, it shows 25H2, 25H1, 24H2. What is this? 25H2, 25H2. How to tell? Yeah. Our system getting updates regularly. Okay, regular updates. In updates, regular we are getting updates, security updates, product related updates. Okay, some critical updates, some patch updates like hot fixes. Different updates are happening to our system regularly. When Microsoft release a new update, it's got updated. What Microsoft will do, instead of small updates, they put all small updates into one part, one place, okay, and update everything once for all. So half year, every half year, it put all the updates together and update your system. Okay, instead of updating one by one, both it will do. Okay, instead of one by one, it will do a complete update, or maybe like a service packs are there earlier. Instead of now this service packs and releases 1, 2 like that. So there are every half year, if they combine multiple updates as a one single package, they are updating your system. This 25H2 means H2 means H means off, 2 means second half, 25 means 2025. If you see 26H1, 26H1 means 26 this year, 26 first of H1. Why not 26H2? Because 26H2 second of year. In 26 second of they will release that one. Now it is 25H2 is running. Okay. H means off, 2 means second half, 1 means first half, 25 means year. Okay. See, this is version updated. So when Microsoft release any new updates, it will update. But also they update multiple updates as a one single package, and they will do update with a this service pack type of updates they will do. Okay. Yeah, you asked one good question then. Any other question, guys? Hardware related troubleshooting questions or anything? Unable to boot bootable device not found. Voice is not found. One more is that is system is not turning on. Very important. System is not turning on. Why not turning on? So either system is not turning on. If it is laptop is not turning on, there is a three things. One is laptop not turning on. So battery is become weaker. Battery no charge. Then connect with your charger and try to turn on your laptop. Okay. Personal. Okay. Turn on your laptop. So battery is weaker. Guys, in our chat box, I'm keeping this one also. Please check it. Okay, copy into your notepad. So then also you can try these questions and answers from that notebook. So now we do not have a time. It's already 1 o'clock. Okay. Laptop not turning on. So first you have to connect the charger. Try to turn on the laptop. And check charger when you are connected charger. Charging LED is blinking or not. Give it for a 5 to 10 minutes. After that one, try to turn on your laptop. Okay, 5 to 10 minutes, turn on your laptop. Make sure the charging LED is blinking or not. Okay, if charging LED is not blinking, then check the cross verify the charger. Means connect the charger to any other system. Make sure it is working or not. Okay, charger is working, but your laptop also not getting charged. Your batteries become weak. What to do? So take it to the service center. So change the charging port. The DC pin is there, that is damaged. That's why you can't able to get a charging. Because a lot of people ignoring whatever they're seeing it. They charge only when system is completely drained. Okay. So do not do like that, guys. Keep a charge is always best option. Battery becomes weaker later, but that's not a big deal. The point is don't dry your battery to the least like a 10%, 5% like that. Don't dry it. Okay, so it will damages both the battery, charger, and your internal components of laptop. Okay, so first laptop not turning on, connect with the charger, try to turn on it. Even after that one also is not turning on, wait for 5 minutes, again try to 5 to 10 minutes and try to turn on it. And check the charging port is LED blinking or not. If charging port LED is not blinking means check the charger, cross verify the charger with other system or connect with a different charger. So it's not still not working means go charger is working, but your laptop not getting charged. Take it to service center, change that DC pin. The pin connector is there now, that pin has to be changed. We can't change it, only service centers can able to do it. We do not have that equipment and all. Okay. So we can't purchase that PC pin, properly suitable pin we can't purchase. If you have an idea, you can do it, no problem, personally. In companies, you don't do it. Take it to service center, company hardware people will do that one. We are not hardware people. We are only tell solution. We don't do solution. Okay? We don't touch a laptop, we don't open the laptops. Okay? So that's your profile. You don't do it. You will tell. Okay? Next. Second, charging port LED is blinking. Charger is working, port is working, but still it is not turning on. Possible that your power button is damaged. Your laptop power button is damaged. or power related circuit is damaged. What to do? Take it to the service center. They will change the power button, or power circuit related issues means they will check it and they'll do the replacements. Okay. Next, compulsory check the battery is getting charges or not. Check the battery status. Okay. Battery is getting charged or not. That is very important because it's a laptop. In a desktop, check the main power supply. Check the SMPS. SMPS working or not. Front panel connection properly connected or not. Okay. In a desktop, it is different. In desktop, okay. So in the desktop, there is a front panel connection like this. These connections are disturbed, so the system won't be turned on. Okay. Next one is SMPS working or not. Okay. Check the SMPS test. Okay. So images. These are the company oriented self home purpose like this. So there is a jumper between the green pin and black pin. Short it and connect the power supply to your SMPS. And then if SMPS fan is running, then you can understand SMPS is working. Also check the voltages in a different points. Okay. Yellow, green, 5 volts, 12 volts, like that. Verify the voltage. Okay. So that is important. So this green pin and black pin you have to short. Remaining, see the voltages. Okay. Plus 5 volts. Red one is plus 5 volts. Yellow one is plus 12 volts. Okay. Verify with digital multimeter and make sure it is burning in that. Okay. So check the mains power supply. Check the what we say um, power card. Check the power card is properly working or not. Check the SMPS. Check the motherboard and front panel connection and front panel power button also. Okay. Test the power SMPS working or not. SMPS is working means somewhere motherboard related issue. Okay. Or front panel connection issues. SMPS is not working. Replace the SMPS. That's a simple one. Okay. And other things you can try. Already answers are there in this notes only. Just try. Okay. If you are not found, just tell me. I can able to explain. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. So we'll meet you tomorrow. Okay. I think I have a session in the afternoon. If not there, I will inform you. You can join in the afternoon. We can cover a lot. So otherwise, you can just go through it. Don't put your time on any other things. Just go through notes, previous batch questions, and the troubleshooting question I shared now. So that is questions and answers. Practice answering. Okay. So get ready. Even if I covered or not covered any particular thing, no problem. Okay. If you have any doubt regarding any specific question, put it in WhatsApp group, guys. I will give you that information. Go through the previous batch questions. Okay. Bye bye.